Hello, and today we're going to take a look at the Alcatel OT-810. So I got two of them here. These was released on the 8th of February 2011. I've also got the Alcatel 808. This was released a year before them ones, but I will do a video on this one on another video pretty soon. Anyway, let's have a look at these two. Like I said, these are the Alcatel OT-810s. Yeah. If we power them on, this one's unlocked, and this one is locked to O2. Yeah. There we are. Here's them. Here they are, switched on. Just to show you the flip on them. Another one. Let's just have a look at the see, it's that one, and show you that one again. Yeah. Hello. Right. So let's have a look at the menu. You have let's just show you around the phone a minute. You have the camera, lens there. You have the earphone jack there. You have the charging port on the corner there, which is a normal mini USB. You have the volume rockers. You have the battery which goes in here. Take off, and the battery. And obviously the SIM card goes behind the battery. Let's look at the menu now. Messages, contacts, and so on. Quite a lot of apps. Right, let's have a look at the ringtones, profiles, general, yeah, edit, edit. Start from the top. Oh, we start from the top, it's easier. Oh, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Right, you are. Silence, vibration only, phone. There you There you are, it'll start now. I know the lights are flashing here on the thing, that's just the camera and making it look like it's flashing, but it's not. There you are, back to normal. Let's just try the camera now, if I can find the camera on here. Where is the camera? Oh, there he is. Right at the top. Check that out. Not a bad camera. If I do say so myself, and it's not too bad. I've had a phone released in 2011. It's not bad. Here you are. That is the Alcatel OT-810, released on the 8th of February 2011. Yeah. I will ring one of them now, just to show you ringing. Here we go. It should ring now any minute. This one, I think. No, that one. As always, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video, so keep your eyes open for that. And bye for now. Bye.